a new edition of Can Olivia Learn This Dance in 10 Minutes? And we'll be dancing to the introduction of Raye, Where Is My Husband? Let's go. So in this song, do you know the idea of the song? It's a single woman and she really wants to have a good husband and she can't find one. And she's like, oh, where's my husband? Oh no, desperation and all of that, okay? So, the beginning of the dance, we're going to be like this, okay? So, the audience would be in the back, okay?
Like this, no? Because they saw you practice this.
Yes, you saw me practice. So,
Sorry.
okay, so we are like this, right? Looking to the floor, and looking towards the floor. And so the music, there's like a drum roll. Boom. Okay? Boom. Okay? And then we're gonna go down. Okay? And then you're gonna do and oh, desperation. Where is my husband? Okay? Okay, and then we're gonna go down to the floor. And then, like I'm bored of waiting, you know? Okay? Do you have that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it again. Okay, so we'll look at the floor, okay? Drum roll. Boom. Down. And then, boom. Now we're gonna get into the part where we are saying like, where is he, right? So we're kind of looking, is he here? Is he here? Where is he, right? Okay, so we're gonna go like this. Well, if you want, you can do that, that's interesting. My hands are gonna be like this, because I'm gonna be like, you know, looking like this, right? And so it's like 1 here, and then you're gonna go like 2, 3, or actually show yourself like this. Yes, right? So you're like this. You're looking, right? And you're looking, and you're looking, and like I'm here.
I'm here.
Okay.
I'm here.
Okay.
I'm here. Where are my husband?
Actually, you could be a little further down on. Now that I realize, on your knees a little bit. Okay. So you could be like this, and ta 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 ta, and then you're gonna hear the drums do like drr, but it's just once tra, and so on the tra you're like para, 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 yeah, tada, and as you do tada, you're gonna put your knee back up because then we have to get okay.
Got it.
All right. Should we try with the music? Oh, well, I'm going to count first. So it's important to really hit the counts 1 and 5 and 4 and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Okay? Those are the beats that you have to hit. Okay? So, drum roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and okay? Should we try with the music?
Oh yeah, you know it.
And then we go up, yeah? So next, so we are here, right? And we okay, we're going up. Yes, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so
Got it.
so you go. We go up from the knees, right? And we go like this, sort of like this, like, oh, where is my husband, right? And then we go, Okay, let's do this.
Okay, with music.
No. So we are, where's my husband, right? And then, pam, pam, ta, ta, ra. Okay? And then we're gonna go backwards, do this with our head. Okay? And then it's like, like maybe here. Okay? Okay, so let's do it from the top. Drum roll. Boom. Baby, where the heck is my husband? What's taking him so long to find me, oh, baby. Where the heck is my husband? Na 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 na. Oh, okay. Okay? Should we try full speed?
Full speed!
So, we've done this, right? And so remember the counts. The important counts are always 1, 4, 5, 8, right? So like when we were here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so what we're going to do here, we're looking at our hand. We are looking at this hand because this is the hand where you're supposed to wear your wedding ring. Now, I'm French. My wedding ring is on my other hand. But in the States, they wear it normally on the right hand, as far as I understand. So, you're like looking at your hand, right? And your hand doesn't have a wedding ring. And you're wondering, where is my wedding ring, right? Does that make sense? So you're looking like this, yeah, and you're gonna go like this. Okay, so we cannot leave the shot, but we have to run a little bit.
It's upside down. I mean, it's like.
Okay, it's crooked. Okay, so we have to run like this. Okay, and then we'll go like this. It's on the other side, right? So you're here and you turn like this, and you go.
I got it with some music.
So you're looking like this. Drum roll, boom. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Something like that.
Yeah, come on.
Do you think you have the steps?
Oh yeah, and I also have Michael Jackson steps.
Okay. Can I see you do it?
By myself?
Yes.
What?
Okay, well, I'm going to sing it. Are you ready? So, drum roll. Okay, let's do it again. Drum roll. Drum. Boom. Baby, where the heck is my husband? What is taking him so long to find me, oh, baby. Where the heck is my husband? Na 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 na. Ooh ooh. No. Ooh ooh yeah. Ta na 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 na. Ta na 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 Okay.
I got
Okay. I don't know how long it's been, but this is the introduction, right? We'll have more steps coming up in the coming weeks. But for now, that's the intro. Can I see the intro, please?
I'll do it by myself. If this video gets 20 likes.
And 20 subscribers.
No, 2.
5.
5.
5 subscribers and
5.
20 likes.
And 20 likes.
All right, so that was our introduction to Where's My Husband? And we will keep looking for him in the coming weeks. Bye!
Bye.